What's good fam, JD here, back with yet another video, another sneaker review for you guys. The Air Max 1, so it's a sneaker that's been around for a really long time. However, recently has received a big surge in popularity thanks to Patta. And what Patta did, they switched up the mudguard, gave it this wave pattern and just gave a lot of new energy into the silhouette. We've already seen two amazing colorways this year. First of all, this Monarch colorway and also the Aqua Noise. And in this video, we'll be getting into the third colorway of the Patta Air Max 1 Waves. I will be reviewing the Rush Maroon colorway. So what's good guys, all my long-term viewers, shout out to you guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you are here for the first time, my name is Josh. I do sneaker reviews and other types of sneaker content. If that is something you mess with, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I am dropping at least 3 videos a week. So in this video, I will be breaking down the shoe. I'll talk about all of the differences between this pair and the first two colorways we have so far. I'll get into quality, sizing, we'll get into what kind of prices these are going for right now. And as always, I will be giving you that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of this video. So here it is guys, the Patta Air Max 1 Waves in the Rush Maroon colorway. I'm not 100% clear on what the name is. On the box it says Rush Maroon, but on the sneakers app it actually says Night Maroon. I will call it the Rush Maroon for the purpose of this video. This sneaker had a slightly different release than the first two colorways because it only released exclusively on the Patta website as well as the sneakers app. No other retailer actually got this pair. I don't know about stock numbers, whether or not this colorway was more limited. However, only 2 places got them, so they were probably more limited. Looking at the shoe, there are 2 major differences between this Rush Maroon colorway and the first 2 pairs. The first is the materials. On this pair, we have leather being used on the mudguard as well as the side panels of the sneaker, and I will say the leather feels very good. It feels very soft, definitely has a premium feel to it, and the premiumness is definitely seen in the price as well because the retail price of the shoe was $10 more than the first 2 pairs. These retailed for $170. And the second major difference of this shoe is of course the side panel. The side panel this time, the color on it matches the color on the mudguard. In the first 2 pairs, like this aqua colorway, you see that the side panel is done in that contrasting gray color. It doesn't match the mudguard. On this pair, it does match the mudguard, and I don't know, let me know down in the comments, how do you guys feel about that? Would you have rather it being done in this color blocking, or do you prefer the color blocking on this maroon pair? My personal opinion, I like the color blocking a lot more on the previous pairs, mainly because the best part about the shoe is the mudguard. It's done in that wave pattern, and on these previous colorways, you can see the waves throughout the shoe. Whereas on this pair, it's almost like there's only half a wave and then the rest of the waves just get lost. And for me, the waves are the best detail about the shoe, so I would have preferred to have it much more visible all around the shoe rather than just the front half. It also looks like the upcoming black colorway is going to feature this new color blocking, which still does look good. However, I do think the mock-up images of this black colorway, personally, I thought they looked better than the actual colorway. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? But let's get into the sneaker, starting off with the box. Once again, you get that same Patta box we saw on the first 2 pairs. It also says Team Patta on the side of the box, and you also get this Surinamese phrase Lobi Libby, which actually means love life. You also once again get that bracelet, which has also come with the first 2 pairs. This bracelet, I'm not sure exactly what's the best way to wear it on the shoe. However, you could probably just wear it on your wrist as a regular bracelet. And getting into the sneaker itself, of course, the main color is this Rush Maroon color. And if I could describe this color, I would say it's more of like a purplish red. You also got these nice contrasting silver hits, which are done in mesh. Also, the Patta logo on the tongue also features that nice silver color. You also get this nice aged cream midsole, and then finally the last color on the shoe, which is what you see on the sock liner. This is almost like a burnt orange. It's very similar to that Monarch color. And you also get this nice little mini swoosh detailing, which is done in that silver color. The other little detail with the shoe is the swoosh itself. It features this nice metallic silver outline, which really makes the swoosh stand out. The laces that come with the sneaker, the standard ones, are done in that Rush Maroon color. However, the extra laces that come with this pair, as you can see, it looks like almost the exact same color. It's this darker shade of maroon. And I haven't really seen that on a sneaker before, two very similar looking lace options. I'm a bit confused by that. I thought it would have been better if they gave us a contrasting lace color, maybe a silver or a cream. But it's all good, I got your back. You can of course get these low top beige laces which go perfectly on the sneaker because it matches the midsole really well. You can cop these from my shop, Elevate Laces. The link is in the description. We do ship worldwide for a very affordable cost. So if you are looking to make this pair really stand out, then go ahead and cop those beige laces. When it comes to sizing, I gotta say this sneaker fit me a little bit differently than the first two colorways. I also went true to size in this pair, and I will say I noticed quite a bit more heel slippage on this pair than the Monarch one. And I'm not exactly sure why, because the sneakers definitely seem like they are the same length. It may be the materials, maybe the materials are thinner on this so it doesn't keep your feet firmly in place. However, I will say the front of my sneaker definitely fits perfectly, so I don't suggest going a half size down. Instead, go true to size, just make sure your laces are nice and tight. Let's quickly look at prices on this sneaker. Right now, it seems like even though this sneaker was more limited, the prices on these are significantly lower than the first two pairs. I'm not surprised by this. This colorway, it's definitely not for everyone. If you love burgundy, if you love fall colors, yeah, you might like this shoe. But maybe because we've already seen two much nicer colorways in my opinion, this one just doesn't seem to be as good as the first two, so it does explain the low resale prices. I can't really tell whether or not the prices on these are gonna go up very quickly because we've already seen a lot of Patta colorways this year. There's more on the way. I'm also gonna say one more thing, and I might even get in trouble for saying this, but let's just say I know some people who have pretty much confirmed that next year there will be a lot more colorways of the Patta Air Max 1 dropping, and when I say a lot, I mean a lot. So that's also part of the reason why I'm not so sure whether the prices on these are gonna significantly rise, because there's gonna be plenty of options for anyone who loves the Patta Air Max 1. So if you're thinking of getting these, you can take your time and decide whether or not you need to add these. Finally, let's wrap this thing up. The Patta Air Max 1 Waves in the Rush Maroon colorway. Is this a cop or a drop? Personally, I really love purple or purple looking sneakers, so I actually like this colorway a lot. But I don't think it's a must cop in any way, especially if you have either of the first two colorways or if you like some of the upcoming colorways. The sneaker is a bit more difficult to wear in my opinion, so I'm gonna go ahead and give these a pass. Let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think about the Air Max 1 in the Rush Maroon colorway, the Patta collab. And that's about it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I got a lot more content on the way. And also follow me on Instagram. The handle is right here at JDKick6, dropping a lot of content on there as well. The on-feed portion of the video dropping right now. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and for messing with the channel, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.